Hey there, Tinkercad friends. I have designed a toilet lock. So in your toilet, you've got that chain that hangs down, and I created this adjustable little fella that lets you string the chain through the holes, and it locks in place, and I can show you in this next little clip, it's working like a champ. So check out this 3D print I created. The chain strings through 3 times. There are little grooves that help hold it in place. And this is test number 1, but so far, works like a dream.